Welcome to my channel. Today's project in my hands, an elegant pair of earrings, crystal beaded earring. We will start with eye pin. We will enter crystal beads to eye pin. 2 crystal beads 4 mm, 1 8 mm, and then again 2 crystal beads, clear crystal beads 4 mm. Now we have to make a loop here on eye pin with nose pliers. We are making a loop to close this eye pin after we have added beads to it. Now we have closed it with making a loop. This is a different style earrings. We have started with eye pin. Now we have picked 1 crystal bead 4 mm with 1 seed bead A2 silver. We are adding it. Now we are making a knot here, double knot we have make. Now we will pass through the loop of eye pin, the eye pin which we beaded with crystal beads. We have passed here with 1 crystal bead 4 mm and 1 seed bead A2. Now we have to pick these crystal beads 4 mm and 4 bead crystal beads 4 mm, and 5 times we have to pick 5 seed beads silver, 5 seed beads A2. We have to pick 3 times 5 bead, 3 times we picked 5 seed beads and 4 crystal beads 4 mm. Now we pass through the loop of eye pin, and now again we added 1 crystal bead 4 mm with 1 seed bead A2. In this way now we are passing through 4 mm crystal bead and seed bead. Now we have to press gently eye pin which we have beaded with crystal beads, and we have to give a shape of half circle, and we have to bring it to a curve. Now we have make it. We will press gently this eye pin. It will easily bend. Now you can see it has shaped into a half circle, or it has shaped a curve. On this point we will add, after passing seed beads A2s and crystal beads 4 mm, we have to add 1 crystal bead with 1 seed bead A2 in center of these beads. In the center point between these beads we have to add 1 seed bead and 1 crystal bead 4 mm. You can see on your screen easily. In the center of these beads we have added 1 seed bead and 1 crystal bead 4 mm. Now we are passing through these seed beads and crystal beads, and we will move ahead after we have beaded this bead. Now here our needle is our thread is coming out from one seed bead, we have to add one 8 crystal bead, 8 mm, one 8 mm crystal bead we have to add here between two seed bead and two crystal beads, 4 mm, which we beaded in the beginning. Now we have added it. Totally different pattern, totally different style and new style earring. You are watching its tutorial. I hope you guys like it. A very cute style. We have used eye pin. We have used in this project. Now we have to add 6 seed bead A2 around our 8 mm crystal bead, passing through the side seed beads we beaded in the beginning. We have passed through this seed bead and we have added 6 silver seed beads here. Now we have to attach our earring wire with 2 seed bead A2 passing through seed beads, and we have attached. Now we are making finishing knots. You see how easy, how quick these earrings are to make. Very easy, very super easy and super quick earring to make. Hanging earring, fan style, you can say it, these earrings are fan style. Very easy crystal bead earrings. You can make in any color you want, you like, in any color of beads, and you can make these earrings with pearls also. You can use instead of crystal beads, you can use pearls. So this is the final look. These are ready, our earrings. Super easy, super quick, unique pattern, totally new pattern. You see how I used eye pin in making of these earrings. I always try to bring some new thing, bring some new style. So I hope you guys like it. Silver seed beads and pure white crystal beads, transparent crystal beads combination. I hope you would like it. You will make for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share Isis Mean Jewelry, my channel. Thanks for watching, and subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget my channel, and don't forget Somi Crafty. These are my channels. I bring always for you. I always try to bring some easy project, some new project. I hope you would like it. Now I will say bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.